Hello everyone, welcome back to freshersworld.com. In today's video also we will be discussing some of the questions which will be helpful for you to crack the government exams. So let's get started. Our first question is, the height of a triangle is decreased by 10% and the base is increased by 20%. Find the change in area. So if this is the type of question that is being asked, that is, if the height or the base is increased or decreased by this much percentage, that is, if the percentage is given, what you have to do is always take the original value as 100. That is, here we are taking the original value as 100 and it is said that the height of a triangle is decreased by 10%. So 10% of 100 is 100 into 10 by 100, 10. So since the height has decreased, we have to reduce 10 from 100. So 100 minus 10, it will be 90. Then it is said that the base is increased by 20%. That is, we have to take 20% of 90. It will be 90 into 20 by 100. That is 18. Since the base is increased by 18, we have to add it with 90. So 90 plus 18 is 108. Our question is to find out the change in area. So what we have to do is take the difference between the original value and the answer which we got now. That is, difference between 100 and 108 is 8%. So change in area will be 8%. Hope this is clear to everyone. Moving on to the next question. Find the number of marble slab of size 20 cm by 20 cm that is required to pave the floor of a rectangular field 10 meter by 3 meter. Hope this question is clear to everyone. We have a rectangular field of size 10 meter by 3 meter and we have to pave the floor with a marble slab of size 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So our question is to find out how many such marble slabs are required. This question is very simple. Here what you have to do is, we have a rectangular field. Size of the field is given as 10 meter by 3 meter. So what will be the area of the field? That is length into breadth. So 10 into 3, 30 meter squared will be the area of the rectangular field. Now we can find out the area of one marble slab. Here the size is given as 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So the area will be 20 into 20, that is 400 centimeter squared. Now to find out the number of marble slabs, what you have to do? We know the total area and the area of one slab. So divide the total area with the area of one slab. Then you will get the number of marble slabs needed. And before solving, you have to make sure that both of them should have the same unit. One is in centimeter and the other one is in meter. So we have to convert them accordingly. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 30 meter squared will be equal to 30 into 100 into 100. That much centimeter squared divided by 20 into 20 centimeter squared. Now we can simplify this. 20 into 5 is 100. Again 20 into 5 is 100. So 30 into 5 is 150. 150 into 5 is 7500. So 7500 marble slabs are required. Moving on to the next question. If the edge of a cube doubles, what will be the change in volume? So for solving this question, you have to know what is the volume of a cube. We know that volume of a cube is a cube. Here edge is a. Now in this question it is said that edge of a cube doubles. That is, instead of a, the new edge is 2a. So what will be the volume of that cube? 2a the whole cube. That is 8a cube. So the change in volume will be, it has become 8 times. Now if in the question, if the edge of a cube become 3 times, means what will be the change in volume? Just take the cube of 3. 3 cube will be 27 times. If the question is, if the edge of a cube become 4 times, means just take the cube of 4. That is 64 times. Let's see the next question. Find the length of the largest rod that can be placed inside a cube of edge 10 centimeter. So here one cube is given. Here diagonal is the one which is represented by the dotted line and its length is equal to root 3a. So here in our question edge is given as 10 centimeter and we are asked to find out the length of the largest rod that can be kept inside the cube. We know that the largest rod that can be kept inside a cube will be having a length equal to the diagonal of the cube. And diagonal of the cube is root 3a. So the answer will be root 3 into a is 10 in this question. So the length of the largest rod that can be placed inside the cube is 10 root 3 centimeter. Now let's move on to the next question. The volume and surface area of a cube are equal. Find its diagonal. So we have already seen that the volume of a cube is a cube and surface area of a cube is, for a cube there are 6 faces and each face is having an area a square. So the total surface area will be 6a square. And in this question it is said that volume is equal to surface area, that is a cube is equal to 6a square. We can cancel out a square from both sides. So we will get a as 6. Now our question is to find out diagonal. We have already seen that diagonal of a cube is root 3a. So answer to this question will be root 3 into 6, that is equal to 6 root 3. So with this we are winding up today's session. I hope you all enjoyed this. So we will be back with more interesting videos like this. So please do subscribe to our channel for such videos. Thank you and stay safe.